Abeegi 8 barjiro mu rurembo rwa Hoima, 9 barjiro mu district ya Hoima kandi 26 barjiro mu district ya Kikuube. Abarimu n'abeegi 6 abino muri mahamibiri babagine miriyooni 53 ezibahirwe abokora kurunje bigeze by'Chamushanju abo mwaka gw'2024 ezibahirwe kampuni rukora ahamirimo yo kutimba amashita ahanyanja ya Albert mu district ya Kikuube ya China National Offshore Oil Corporation.
And this award is a reminder to all the learners of this region and the Sinnock Limited believe in you. This is what we want every student to know. You are not alone. We are here to support you and work with you on your education journey.
This time Sinnock are rewarding nearly 20% from where they started, and this initiative they started way back in 2013, and to this day continue to support with dedication and consistency. Thank you, Sinnock.
Barukwasibwa sentezi ahambuga nkuru za district ya Hoima Kasingo abebembezi bashabire kampuni z'amashita okutandika kubanjira abeegi abamashomero ga government.
This is not the only work that Sinnock has done. There is a lot that they are doing in the communities out there. So as far as corporate social responsibility is concerned, we are grateful as a country and as a district in general.
Obwahat kampuneji yamazire kusindika inshocho zo kunyurura amajuta okuzumu omubyina 31
madistrict nkagano agazaire gani bakoina tuyamba na transport but I believe this is for making us, for giving us courage so that we can do our best in the next examinations, and we believe that we shall receive more.
Omugandi kanso ya district ya Chenjojo erabuzeho sente biliyoni 53 Mbarara yo mwaka 2025-2026 bakansara ku rwo magombora na za town kanso mu Chenjojo nibende mbarereji ekwate munonga hankuto
abo kuba district ya kororwa miyora kuzakora mu sub county rwabonera konka ko kuzakugaruka utkunuya abujaro ryo gwa town kanso ne koronka half akari the road of 7 kilometers ushanga yakoro half kugarwa ibari kuzabutubiri atoshanga asigara hali impossible shanga abakushugura nk'ebitoki yana arabaho akwani no shanga no kaka pavement akokora mu just akantu kace so muntu wavuga karwa target ushanga ko pikiyayire mane bitoki byonda
cyokuroraho ukwana kuno bufunge twinirwaro na kati abantu ne baingi muno abaruwaire kugakanyegaramire kitega batalika kifuka nyabirongo baitu rusawo karwaro kona akalse center ya kana
hataro engudezi kututalibaniza muno ga district nize ngudezi za unra ya tweyiri amazima gali titumaena habwake mwatwire ngudezi inyo aba unra habukwa mukalemwa kuikora haro rugude rwa butiti orukugena mpaka ha college butiti college.
Change district ina mashaza 3 n'enkuto ziri kwingana kilometero 25 biti bine cyo macimo cyo kusharenguto kandi nacyo kikafa.
So sawa government yetu yambe etutungire another road unit mukotorole ngukalitango kaitu kokorole ngudo twazikora kandi zaikara zirunungi twakahikiriza baitu tusima government abukwa sente zitwaire
gasha kwa Ambrose nwaga bakatoto na Daniel Bingana.